Absolutely nuts. Today is going to be fun. NVIDIA saves the market. We're back at all-time highs. Swing season looks like it's going to be back on over here. If we can hold these levels over here, oh boy, we got an extra little bit of fun. I love it. I love it. I love it. Just in time for you guys, again, hopping into the mastermind as well, which is going to be sent to you guys this Sunday. We've got a lot of amazing things happen around here, people. Good morning, everybody. Let's do it here. Let's see. All right, everybody, let's do a nice little good morning welcome. Everybody say good morning to each other. Say good morning to me if you would like to. Let's see what we got here so far. We got Gerald, Dr. Bob, Rogue, Cody, Brozio, Angel, Pepe. Those are the people that I see right now, but I know there's a lot more you got. There's Tor. What's up, buddy? So, again, team, make sure that you guys are smacking that like button on the way in. You guys absolutely annihilated the like threshold yesterday. Michael, good morning. What's up, everybody? I hope you guys are having a good morning. So, let's see what we got. We got NVIDIA up about 11.64% in the pre-market here. I actually am not all that opposed to using the post-earning strategy on NVIDIA if and only if the premiums aren't absolutely insane. There might be a trade there that we could kind of get after on NVIDIA, so we'll see what happens there. We've got Palantir running up. I've got a nice little GM trade. I told you guys this one about this one on my Twitter yesterday. I tweeted out GM is looking hot. And so those of you guys that understand the strategy, that have been in the Swing Kings course, I mean, you guys were able to understand this one. So looking at this here, gonna see what this one's gonna be able to give us. I think we're gonna be looking pretty good at open. I also have Baba. I was kind of expecting Baba to do a little bit better in the pre-market today after what we were seeing out of everything else. Who knows? It could be waiting for market open. But I mean, this one still looks very, very, very. Baba. Baba, you're killing me. Just kidding. Just kidding. Still kind of in the green over here. We're going to see what happens with that one at open. Good morning, Christian. Good morning, Chris. Good. Squirrel, what's up, team? Benjamin, Joel, what's up, everybody? So, again, NVIDIA beat earnings across the board. They came out swinging. They're reacting positively. My baby AMD is having a good morning here as well. I'm going to be able to sell some more premium on this thing. Oh, boy. Also, I think I made a little bit of an oopsie in my calculations on what I was going to be receiving in the premiums for AMD. I think I was looking at, like, 2026 contracts when I should have been looking at 2025s. They're still really solid. I think the premium that I'm going to be able to collect is still very, very, very solid. Still would be very easy to make my cost basis on everything negative, basically. So that's going to look really good. It's not, I don't think it's as big as I thought it was. It's probably like 75%. Good evening from India. Welcome. Welcome. Anybody that's new to the stream, welcome, welcome, welcome. Would you expect AMD to move based on NVIDIA? Yeah. Yeah, AMD always moves based on NVIDIA. Here's the thing, though. Like, I'm kind of getting to the end, not the end of my rope with the AMD. I'm getting close. Like, their financials aren't that great. So, I don't know. I think there could be better opportunities out there with that capital that I have. The problem is that I'm going to take a big tax hit when I sell it. So, we'll see. We will see. And I don't want to take that tax hit, you know? So, what I'm probably going to do is basically sell some premium on it and try to just kind of lessen the like, basically raise extra cash to basically use to pay those taxes on that NVIDIA, or not NVIDIA, on the AMD long position that I have, because it's fat, like it's big, and I don't really want to be stuck with that tax bill. I mean, I'll get stuck with it anyway. It's just if I can sell premium against it and then raise basically all the money to pay the taxes on it, move it to the Cayman Islands. I was thinking about this the other day. This is more of like a political thing. It's like I'm probably, if I can, especially with what I'm about to do next. When I leave, if I can not be in the U.S., I will not be in the U.S. There's no reason. Like, I don't get it. What's the reason? I don't understand. I mean, they could always turn things around. GM looking good. Baba, you're being an a-hole. Baba, I don't know what you're doing over here, but you're being an a-hole. What'd you miss? Nothing, Ralph. How you doing? I mean, what's the overnight strategy printing at? Oh, my God. Per contract, guys, you're up over $2,000 on the overnight strategy. That's that video, that strategy, the overnight one that prints where you have to know literally nothing about trading is not in the courses. I made a video about it for you guys. That's out there for free. It's the one on my channel that's like the 700% gains one. It's up in the 80 point range this month. Move to Dubai? Maybe. I don't know. But like, so last month, I think the overnight strategy was down like 9 points. This month, it's up over 80. So like per contract, if you're trading one contract, you're up like $4,200 doing nothing. You just literally buy the 6 p.m. open, you set a 9-point stop, and you sell at 9:30 a.m. It's so mind-numbingly simple. Stop trying to complicate things. Like, guys, it's not hard. You gotta rewatch that overnight strategy video. Yeah, it's dirty. It's so simple. Baba, you're killing me over here. We were supposed to be having some fun. I thought you were gonna have a nice little day here so far with the little move up. Baba, you gotta do something here, pal. Overnight swinging, it's a group thing. All right, Ralph, chill out. All right, guys. Dude, you guys are killing the like button again. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. Yeah, everybody, it is, oh my God, it is almost Mastermind Day. This Sunday, guys, at noon is when I'm going to be tweeting out that link for you guys. I'm going to be sending those emails to you, and then it's off to the races. Those of you guys that are lucky enough to hop in there, shouldn't SMCI be less than NVIDIA? Are you talking about in terms of price? No, you got to look at it in terms of market cap, which I actually don't know. NVIDIA's market cap is, right now, it's listed as 1.67 trillion. If you look at SMCI, you're at 41 billion. So no. So it has to do with the shares outstanding versus the price that it's trading at in the open market. Good question. SCV basically just told you the strategy, that simple. That's what it is. That's the overnight strategy. Buy at 6 p.m., 9-point stop, sell at 9:30. That's it. That's literally the strategy for the overnight. I mean, obviously in the video I go through why and how it works and the theory behind it and the results of the back testing over time. But that's the strategy. It's that simple. What am I trading on? What do you mean? Like brokerages or like what instruments? Like, I don't know. NinjaTrader, Tradeovate. I like those for futures. Webull for options. My big long-term account is somewhere else that I'm not telling you guys. SMCI is definitely going to get the S&P inclusion. Let's see. Forgot it's like 800 with the code. Yeah, so all of you guys that are already in the courses, when I send you this, you're getting a 20% discount to the mastermind. And again, that I can't wait to show you guys all of that stuff that's in there. It's just like ridiculous. We can get an AMD entry today on the swings. I wouldn't. The only thing I'm really interested in the chips is an NVIDIA post-earnings strategy trade. Like, think about AMD off the weekly. You'd have to break like 180. That's the monthly, sorry. You'd have to break like 180. So like on the week, where is it? Yeah, so you'd have to break 180.50. I don't think we're getting that, and I probably wouldn't take that anyway. That's a little bit too aggressive. Set stops, know your risk. Yeah, exactly. The overnight strategy is disgusting. Also, everybody, oh my God, I think a lot of you guys got that text message last night or the email or whatever it is. Apex is having they brought back the 90% off sale. You guys can get up to 20 accounts. If you guys are interested in the 90% off deal, I believe the code is already on the website. I just threw the link in the live chat for you guys. There you go. 90% off Apex funded accounts for futures. There you go, man. I don't know how they do that. I got no idea how their business model works. It doesn't seem like it makes any sense. But hey, as long as they're still going, go for it, man. So, that link's in the live chat for all y'all. Yeah, this Sunday is Mastermind Day, though. The only one we're ever going to do. 150 spots, that's it. Man, I am excited. I kind of want to bring in some special guests, but I don't know if we're going to. Do you have a Discord where they tell you what options to buy and sell? No, that is what's called heavily, I'm going to use some profanity here, fucking illegal. Sorry for my language there. A lot of people, and I want to do a little rant on this. Sorry, I apologize for saying it that way, but so many people in my messages and all this stuff every single day are asking me, signals, tell me when to trade, do this. Guys, that's not how you make money in the market. What happens in a couple months when I'm not here? You are, again, profanity word. You're done. I do not understand the whole, and I think here's what it is, and I'm going to be a little rude about this. It's entitlement. You're thinking that you can then skip all of the things that I had to do in order to make money in the market and just copy what I'm doing. That's not how you do it. We're supposed to be in this game for 5 to 10 years. That's why the courses that I have for you guys there are so bulletproofed against all of the mistakes that new traders make, and it sets you up for life to have a skill and a system in order to make money out of the market. Alerts and signals are BS. Family friendly here. Sorry for cussing. But like, I hate it. I hate the trading space so much that it's so based on signals because it doesn't help you. Most of the people that you're like, here's the other thing. I could give you a signal. You're way late on it. Let's say I'm scalping SPX and I get a nasty entry. Your entry, by the time that you see it, could be 50% higher than mine. It doesn't help you. The only reason why I give you guys the watch lists every single week is so that, one, you can get an idea of what I'm looking for. Again, you're going to then just use the strategy, again, that I've taught you in order to do it, but then you can then go out and find your own. That's what it's all about. I want all of you guys being self-sufficient in the market. I don't want you depending on me. It's not about me. It's about teaching you guys this skill. Screw signals. They're nonsense. They're complete nonsense. They do not help anybody. Anybody selling signals to you is a schemer. They're not helping you. Switching to swinging when you go back to work next month. There you go. Swing Kings for the win. Sorry for the rant, but like, people are asking me all the time, and it's like, you do not it just tells me that they're treating the market like a get rich quick thing. Go to the casino. That's not what this is. I'm not trying to come at you, buddy. It's just an overall, like, oh my God, I don't understand. I get it. Like, I get people want to make money quick. I understand. But that's not what this is about. It's about you guys having the skill forever. Not listening to me call for something out and being like, ooh, look at me, I'm the best. It's not what it is. Whew! All right, rant over. All right, team. Ooh, we are 8 likes away from 50. Thank you, guys. All right, we'll keep the like threshold for the extended stream at 120 today. If you guys hit it again, if you guys hit the like threshold again, we're going to have to bump it up. We're going to bump it up a little bit. You guys have been doing good. We're working out. TLT is moving very strangely in the pre-market here. TLT is going all over the place. All right, let's see what we got. ES. Good advice. Thanks. It's nonsense, dude. The amount of messages that I also get every single day on my Instagram that are like they just spam me asking for money. And I'm like, think about it like this. Let's say that somebody was asking me for money. If they're in a position that they need to ask for money on a social media account, why would I do it? They've already proven that they don't know how to manage it. So if I give them money, it's moral hazard. That's all this is. It's just moral hazard. It's the same situation with the banks that happened in 2008, with what happened in 2020, with what happened back last year with the small regional banks. It's just moral hazard over and over and over. The money comes faster than you can imagine if you all get consistent with your trading. Exactly. If you can sit back and listen to the things that I teach you on these streams and in the courses there, again, those are 50% off too. You guys have a deal of a lifetime. Like, you're gonna be way better off than you would be by following these morons out there on the internet. They're idiots. They don't. Oh, you guys have no idea how dumb some of these people are. You did say you're giving away 100K. No, I didn't. You can get a 50K Apex account right now for like 18 bucks, which is crazy, dude. That's crazy. Good morning, pal. What's up, Pepe? Baba, you're pissing me off. Not gonna lie. Pissing me off. Not actually. Where's GM? GM looking real good here. All right, folks. We haven't done a rant like that in a while. That's like our first rant in forever. Where's Tesla, actually? Hold on. Where's Tessie? I think I'm getting sick again. I swear, every Thursday I'm like sick. And then I'm fine after I sleep. Like, that's the weekly. I don't care about the weekly on Tessie. What's the daily look like? Ooh, this is tempting. You're tempting me, Tessie. Hope everyone has a blessed day today. You too, one of one. Still waiting on the car giveaway, dude. We used to have on the I don't know if it's still there, but like on the Trade 1348 like website, in the fine print, it said STV will never give away a car. That was so funny. I love that. So you're saying if we have money already, we can have your money? The moral conflict is gone? No, either way, I'm not just sending you money. Facts, back in the day, the 50K account would cost way more with so many more steps. Yeah, I mean, the only thing you got to avoid with Apex is just the trailing drawdown. That's it. But you guys can have up to 20 accounts. So, like, and you can do it with the 150s. So you could have whatever 150 is times 20. It's like, what, 3 million? You can get 3 million in funding from Apex if you passed it. Car giveaway? No. But the mastermind, guys, is going to be the most value that, like, you're going to get from anybody. And the thing is I think you guys kind of get at this point what I know and like how I operate things in the market with like long term and macro and finance and things. But once you guys see what I'm about to give you in the mastermind, again, there's only one time we're doing this. So those of you guys that are lucky enough to hop in this Sunday or throughout next week, you guys are going to be good to go for life. You guys are set up forever. That's my like parting gift to you guys. 6 million, they have 300K accounts? That's insane. Can you give some more context on the trailing? Let's say we have 56K and it's still 2K. Why would you have 56K ever? Oh, no. It stops. It stops. The trail stops after you pass a certain amount, like, for each account. And then you can just trade normally. 2x Bitcoin ETF announced? We knew that was coming. We knew that was coming. Dude, the whole game is just... Oh, my God. There's 2 games that money managers play. There's 2 of them. Well, Mom, we're not going to go over that right now. There's a lot of... It's not games. It's just like... you got to think about it. It's a business. So how do they generate revenue? Let's see. What if I promise to never expose your lizard form? I'm not a lizard, dude. I'm not a lizard. I'm just good at this. That's it. A GM somehow just came down. What the heck is happening here? All right, we got 12 minutes to go. 12 minutes to go until the ding-ding, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. And again, this is kind of the last chance for you guys, too, to hop in, get that 50% off deal to the day trading mastery course, which is absolutely filthy. Less trades, more profits. There haven't been, like, I haven't even seen any setups over, like, the past couple days here on it. But that thing is an absolute killer. We got the Swing Kings course that I know a lot of you guys have been absolutely just stealing money from the markets with. So, again, like we were talking about before, there's a lot of nonsense out there. If you guys want to take trading seriously and have skills that are going to set you up for life, that link's at the top of the live chat, but I can throw it in here for you guys that are interested. You're also going to be able to get first access to the mastermind with a discount as well. Dude, I'm excited for today. Today's going to be fun. I mean, I'm already doing math on, like, how much I've made today so far. Like, even though we saw a sell-off on AMD, like, GM is rate sensitive and the employment number affected it too. Yeah, that's annoying. Like, what's 7 times? 7.5 times. All right, that's good. And then the futures, that's good. And then whatever we do in the other long-term positions, that'll be good. Yeah, I think I'll be. I had to like enable options on the big account. So once I do that, I can start selling some preem. And then kind of off. I think what I'm gonna do is just offset the taxes on it. I don't know. Or I could just buy dips. I think buying dips is probably smarter and then just eat the tax loss. Not loss, sorry. It's not a loss. It's eat the whatever tax on the gains, because it's going to be whatever long-term capital gains is. What levels you watching for the SPY today? Nothing. I don't really, again, with the way that I trade, I don't really care about honest, like I don't really care. So most likely what I'm going to do today is I'm probably going to be waiting until the afternoon and then trading based off of how price action looks. Levels, I mean, again, for me, we can look at them, but again, we're not going to be buying or shorting off of them. So why would we even really put that much emphasis on them, if that makes sense? Does this mean we're going to get a part 2 to the covered call video now? You're going to get a lot of that in the mastermind. You guys are getting everything in the mastermind. Like, I can't wait for you guys to see it. Like, all right, we have a long-term investing section. What do you think we're going to talk about in there as part of it? Once we go through all the analysis, like how to value companies, picking the right ones, things like that, building portfolios. Appreciate the insight. Yeah, no problem. I mean, a lot of people come in here and ask me for those types of things, and I know a lot of people get upset when I'm like, I don't care. But remember, the reason why I'm able to have the success that I do in the market is because I look at the market with blinders on. So if something's not going to follow what I do or what I teach, it doesn't matter to me. So if it doesn't matter to me, and all the other people that are looking at trading the way that I trade are having success, it really shouldn't matter to you. You're fired up for the masterclass tour? You should be, man. It is going to be insane. Let's see. What do we got? Tessie's tempting. Yeah, so we're going to do, there's going to be a kind of like an initial video that goes along with it for you guys to kind of see when we're starting, what we're going to be doing, but you guys in the courses, everybody that gets first access is going to have a week to hop in. If you guys take all 150 spots, you take all 150 spots, and that's it. Then we're going to send it out to my other email list that's a wait list for the mastermind, and there's like 4,700 people on there. Am I in NVDA? No. Easy Money, what's up, buddy? Oh, Easy Money, you got to send me a message. You got to send me a message. I don't know if you've heard what I wanted to do. You bought 180 shares of NVIDIA yesterday? All right. Now I'm having second thoughts that you're actually 16. Hold on. Easy Money. All right. Here's the deal. Easy Money, I thought he was like 16 years old, or like 14 years old, wanted to learn how to trade. You got to somehow prove to me that you are actually that young, and I'll give you the courses for free. You're not going to get the mastermind for free, but I'll give you the courses for free. It's like 800 with the code. Yes. Yeah, and guys, the way that it's set up, oh, $180. All right, there you go. Yeah, and the way that it's set up, I believe we have like the buy now, pay later set up on it too. So you can pay the mastermind fee in installments. It's that you don't have to do it one off. Yeah, $180. Yeah, Easy Money. Message me on Instagram, ShortTheVix1, and I'll hook you up with a code. And I'll give it to you I'll give you both the courses for free. Like, guys, I'm not in this to make money. I'm in here to teach you and make sure that you actually have the success that you want. The reason why I charge is so that you guys actually care about it. I don't want everybody running around that's like not taking what I teach seriously and just screwing it up. But if you're 16, you're young, you want to get into the markets, I mean, obviously I'll help you out. I know he's got his buddy, too, that wants to learn to trade. Go watch the courses. Ask me questions, and we're good to go. On YouTube, you don't have Instagram. You got Twitter. Installments, that's great news. Yeah, you can select it on the thing. Where do we go to get the mastermind? The links aren't out yet. But this Sunday, I'm going to be sending an email to those of you guys that are in the Day Trading Mastery course, in the Swing Kings course, and the link is going to be sent out on the private Twitter as well. So that at STV Swing Kings account, that's where the link is going to be too. So those of you guys that don't want to get left out, make sure that you guys have notifications turned on for that account, so that you guys, if you don't want to get left out, you're good to go. And again, those of you guys that are in the Swing Kings course, if you haven't followed that Twitter account yet, follow. It's at STV Swing Kings. Shoot me a DM with your email. I'll confirm that you're in there, and then I'll accept your follow, and you're good to go. But all right, guys, we got what, 5 minutes to go until market open. Here we go. Easy. It's some life-changing info. I'm 30. I wish I learned this 10 years ago. Thank you, Pepe. I appreciate that, buddy. Baba, I'm gonna need you to do some stuff today, you know? GM, same with you. What's that ES trade doing here? I mean, it's up like 1,900 bucks on one freaking contract. That's insane. I'm fine with that, man. What do I care? What do I care? It's free money. I didn't have to do anything. Thoughts on NVDA? I may use the post-earning strategy on it. Again, at open, I got to get out of this ES trade. But other than that, we're just chilling. Just chilling. Pepe is a boomer in SCB's mind. No other socials. You have Discord? No, I don't have that. I mean, I do, but like I don't use it. Just make it Instagram or Twitter. I'm giving it to you for free. You can make an Instagram or Twitter. Or TikTok. I have a TikTok. You can message me on TikTok. Yeah, only mastermind we're ever doing. We're only going to have time for one. Wendy's dumpster? Stop. Stop. All right, let's see. Oh, it's on Google. Let me take a look. Nah, nothing here for me. Nothing here for me for Google. Amazon? Amazon's interesting. It's gapped hard. Nah, we gotta wait. Again, there's probably not gonna be a whole lot of swings this week. We gotta wait and see how things fizzle out, and next week's probably gonna be great for swing entries if we can continue higher. Apex has an app? I don't know if they have an app. But yeah, I mean, those of you guys that missed the earlier part of the stream, Apex is having a 90% off sale right now, which I don't know how they do this. There's the link to it there if you guys are interested. Yeah, Rivian got smacked hard on that. Is the mastermind videos are live? It's live, and then you guys will have access to the recordings of the videos forever. Yeah, isn't Google's AI like it doesn't think white people exist? Isn't that a thing? Or is that just a meme that I've seen on Twitter? I don't know. That's what I've heard. What's the post-earning strategy? We're going to be going over that in the mastermind with you guys. It's a little bit more complicated to just go over real quick here. So we're going to be covering that in the mastermind with you guys as well. Again, you guys are getting like 5 or 6 more strategies in that thing. Poor Tesla? No, Tesla's all right. I mean, we'll see if the premiums are that bad on NVIDIA. If they're really bad, I mean, I'm not going to go near them, but we'll see. You don't have good Wi-Fi at school? All right, that's fine. Yeah, TikTok, Instagram, or Twitter, whichever one. All right, moving up into open. We got 40 seconds. I got to get out of this ES trade. It's sitting right around $2,000 there. Let's see if we can close out at that. That'd be nice. That'd be nice. Freaking one contract making $2,000. It's crazy. That's crazy. Netflix is hot again. All right, let me get out of this, and then we'll start looking for some more tickers. All right. And again, team, keep smacking that like in the way in. You guys are halfway there to the like threshold to extend the stream. I love it. I mean, I could just ditch this here. It doesn't really matter. It's like, what, 5 seconds away? Up a little over $2,000. Out. Done. Done. Lock it in. Lock it in, ladies and gentlemen. That was easy. All right. Let's do some things here. Baba, what are you doing? What are you doing here, pal? All right, and then where's NVIDIA? CRM with a ripper. Oh, my Lord. All right, let's do it. All right, let me see what the premiums are like. What day is it today? Thursday? Ooh, that kind of stinks. And we could catch one. You could catch one here, maybe, with a gem, but I think that's a little risky. Oh. Oh. That actually ain't that bad. Hold up. Those are kind of icky, though. Those are kind of icky. Baba, you're just disappointing your bloodline here. So much potential. Where's GM? GM, what are you doing? All right, and then Apple. No. Tesla? Why are you saying poor Tesla? I thought Tesla was having a day. Oh, no, but I do like this. Oh, I already have Tesla up here. What do we... AMD, how's this doing? Chilling. Where's Nancy? I don't know. Maybe I'll take a flyer on NVIDIA here. Where's ES? Selling. Baba back up. That's nice, I guess. Yeah, now we can take a look at more tickers. So, you guys want to look at tickers? Let me know. Alright, what time is it? 9:32. Alright, we're going to have some time on this thing. This will be good. Baba back up. Yeah, it's just being an a-hole. I want it breaking above yesterday's highs. That's what I want. It was in the pre-market at one point, and then it just, you know, didn't. I like it. It has a lot of potential. This Baba move off the weekly time frame has a lot of potential. Netflix. DG down. All right, hold on. Oh, there goes NVIDIA. What time is it? All right, we got time. DG's down. I mean, you guys already nailed that one. How much is this down? Little bit. I mean, you guys were entering here. Rode it all the way up from like 137 to 145. That's a nasty trade there. Netflix, AMD, we don't really need to take a look at. Netflix is kind of getting spicy again there. AAL, there we go. Tor, if this is a gem, I'm going to be so proud of you. Oh, I love it. Yes. See, when we were talking earlier, IBM up good. Yeah, that makes sense. I can't, like, when it hits the stop, I got to take it. So, I mean, Baba looking all right here. Ooh, wow, Baba getting a little spicy there. I like that. How's that looking? Oh, the spread's on some... Yeah, there we go. There we go. Yeah, I mean, what's this high? Okay. Yeah, AAL I like. I mean, I don't know why I have all this crap on here, but let's see. Yeah, IBM was one that I did like, and it just stopped us out. That's fine. I really do like the Baba. It's just like, it can be a little bit of a wild child, but if it gets going, there's not much to stop it, especially at these lower levels. Like, you break above this, 78, you're probably ripping. SKYH. Yes, I can. It's good. It's just a weird, like, little gap and move down. So that's kind of the problem with some of these. You sometimes got to give it a little bit. Like, when you create the range, like in this case, I'd almost trade the 15-minute opening. I mean, you could go shares with it, but this thing is pretty illiquid. You've taught me well, brother. See, that's taking the information in the courses and applying it. That's awesome. All right, video back up. We got a minute here. Pay attention. NVIDIA calls, but for some reason, when the market opened, the contract tanked even though NVIDIA's way up. That's called welcome. You just learned a very valuable lesson about earnings, my man. That is called implied volatility crush. That is why you do not trade earnings, my man. That is why you do not trade earnings, especially when they're pricing in over 10%. That is why we harp on it so much here. You do not have to trade the actual earnings announcement. I don't know, man. These are so whippy. I don't know. That is why you don't trade earnings, ladies and gentlemen. That right there, Brandon. You learned a very valuable lesson. Please do not make that mistake again. Oh, man. You know what? You know what, NVIDIA? You want to play this game? You want to play this game? I'll play. I'll play. You know what? I'll play. Maybe not. These are kind of ridiculous. Like, I want to go next week's, but they're insane. Like, in the 1 day to expiration, I don't really want to screw around with that. I don't want to. NVIDIA 1300, 12 bucks yesterday, a penny today with the ticker up 11%. Yeah. Yeah. But guys, pay attention or pay a premium. That's why I talk to you guys all the time. Do not trade earnings with an amount of money that you're not willing to lose. What game? Nah, see, like I want to do it, but it's not showing me enough. Baba looking okay. ES getting slapped. TLT doing all right. That's why anyone telling you to buy calls without mentioning that part doesn't give a F about you. Exactly. Exactly. What did I tweet yesterday? Like 4,000, 3,000, 4,000 people saw that. Let's see. There was 2 of them. PSA, if you decide to trade NVIDIA earnings with money you care about, you deserve to lose it all. Nobody on these apps has any idea what the reaction or numbers will be. Don't try to convince yourself that you do. Second tweet, FYI, NVIDIA was pricing in approximately 10% move in either direction for their earnings release. Unless we move well outside that range, basically double that range or 1.5 times that range, Strangles will be cooked, Condors win, and if you degen calls because Wall Street Bets told you to, maybe you can afford to buy lunch with your gains. But most cases, no. That's the problem. And Brandon, I mean, I'm sorry you had to learn that one the hard way. About revenge trading NVIDIA. I'm not revenge trading it. I just, like, it's not, I don't think this is going to do it. GM back up. That's nice. What up, Vix? Miss you? Dude, I am live every single day, ladies and gentlemen. There's no need to miss me. I'm live every day at 9 a.m. Make sure you guys drop a like on the video here. It makes it easier for you guys to come back. We got the Mastermind launching this weekend. There's 150 spots. I mean, again, that's the only one we're ever going to do. And then the courses are still 50% off. And everybody that's in the courses is getting first access and a deal. So, you guys want the Day Trading Mastery course, the 14 winning months in a row strategy, the Swing Kings course, which you guys have been making serious nasty gains with. Here's the link right here. Delta Gamma, can you please say something else besides 3 heart emojis and NNDM when you come into the live chat? Thanks. Frustration. It's just frustration that, like, I don't think it's going to do what it's going to do, and I kind of want to trade the post earnings. The premiums are just a little bit too whippy. You know? Tessie I kind of like here. Not right now, but Baba whipping around. Got your IV crush, that makes sense. Yeah, you got slapped by IV, man. It sucks. It happens. You got to be prepared for that. Like, I don't trade any earnings or strangles when they price in over 5%. We're going to talk we're going to talk a lot more about that in the mastermind. So get ready for that. Dude, I'm so excited. Like, again, those of you guys that are interested, it's obviously day trading, swing trading. We got like 6 more strategies to give you guys, And then a lot of it is going to be just the most in-depth financial education that you guys are going to see. Like what they teach you in college is a lot of it is nonsense. I'm going to give you everything that is actually useful. Macroeconomics. You got AAL. Is it ripping? I'd bite. I'd bite. Kind of like that. Let's see. How much is that? I kind of want to. I mean, you're kind of front running it. Like less risk. I'd take a lot less risk on that than I usually would on something. Like a lot less. It's trying there. GM looking pretty good. I'd love this thing to get to 40. Tesla and Apple not strong. No, but Tesla's still setting up nicely. Tesla, that's fine. You get a nice little pop out of here, you're golden up to 215. Data in 4 minutes. What do we have? Oh, existing home sales. Oh, boy. Baba, what are you doing? What are you doing? What is this? You come up, you reject. Come on. What is this nonsense you got here? Yeah, we do have a lot of Fed speakers as well. Let's see. We're 29 likes away from 100, team. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate it. The 120 like threshold today to extend the stream is still on. Baba, what are you doing? We do have a Fed speaker at 10 as well. You're kind of front running it here, but I don't hate it. GM looking freaking good. All right, let's see. That's insane. Come on, Baba. What are you doing? That's such a good setup. Disappointing. GM looking freaking phenomenal here, though. What's NVIDIA doing? Would that one have hit or no? Nothing crazy. You'd be up a little. I don't think you'd get your 100%er yet. All right, let's see what we got. Is Chipotle set up? Yeah, that was in the swing list. That was in the swing list. Let's see what Chipotle is looking like. I kind of like it. I I kind of like that. Let's see what the premiums are like. They could be insane. They're spready. They're spready. They're really spready. What do the monthlies look like? Yeah, they're spready. We just got the data here. How's the market reacting? Rip City. Hello. Chipotle. I love Chipotle, dude. That's like my favorite thing. CRM. Yeah, that one's pumping. 28 bucks in NVDA. There you go. Yeah, where's CRM? Because I know that one. That one I barely took a paper cut on. See? I ditched it here this day. It's ripping back up, though. Hello. For data? Twitter. Twitter. But I have Twitter over here, too. So usually when I'm on my phone, I'm looking at, like, Weeble. Come on, Baba. Let's get going here. Where's GM? Come on, let's get pumpy here. Let's break 40 today, GM. Let's do a little something. Yeah, all right. So, I mean, the post-earnings trade on NVIDIA would have worked, I think. I might just ditch the Baba. It's just pissing me off. It should be way up today. That's annoying. Yeah, maybe I'll ditch the shorter dated ones, leave the longer dated ones. That's what I'm thinking. That makes the most sense. That's fine with me. Ditch those. I still have the longer dated. I can add a little to those. Because it's a weekly setup. I'll just add to those. Yeah, that's good. That's like right at entry, too. Alright. Let's see what we get. Market Watch has a good calendar. They do. GM looking freaking spicy. I like that. Yeah, alright. So Nancy would have done it. ES, big boy candle there. Do I ever trade OTC? No. No, I don't screw around with those. I mean, if I had held that ES, I would have been up, what, like $3 grand, I think? It's fine. That's not the strategy. IBM new day high. I'm not touching it after it invalidated there, but good for them. Where's AAL? It bob off my freaking screen. Just going with the longer dateds there. AAL, I don't hate. Yeah, I mean, the longer dated Babas that I have right now are down 3%. Nothing. Nothing. I just don't want the shorter dated ones on there. Because remember, yesterday I screwed it up. I thought I was looking at the daily when I was looking at the weekly. And I was like, oh. So I got shorter dated ones when I didn't need to. GM looking freaking good, man. We can take a look at IBM, though. We can take a look at it. No. None of that. None of that. Why is it that I always get sick on like every Thursday? It's like I feel terrible. I just get run down throughout the week. Dude, look at this market. Look at this. I want to check. Where's Facebook? Where's Facebook right now? Oh my god. Let's see. Where is I want to see what the long term's up today. That's going to be fun to look at here. Dude, it's hot in here. I got the freaking window open. Let's see. Let's see what the long term's up today. Take a guess. Take a guess. Everybody guess. What's the long term up today? Everybody, I want to see the guesses. What's the long term up today, you think? Jesus. Take a guess. I've told you guys before. I've told you at, like, when it's up, like, 4 grand, stuff like that, in a day. This is a little higher. Oh, man. Your entry order for CTSH executed on the weekly, 20%. No, I'm not giving you percentages. I'll give you dollar amounts. Squirrel doesn't trust any of the market here. There goes AAL. There we go. No, not percentages. I'm giving you dollar amounts. Let's see. Oh, the long term's not up 40% in a day. That's ridiculous. Yours is 8. Mine's not 8. But I'm not telling you what percentage it is. 6,410K is close. $1 million? No, I'm not up $1 million today. What are you, nuts? No, I'm up like 34K. Nah. It's up like 8 grand, 8,500. That's not bad. You're a piece of garbage, Baba. That's what you are. Piece of garbage. $3. No, nah, it's up like 8 grand. So then when you combine that with the ES trade, we're up like 10 G's today. It's pretty good, man. It's pretty good. It's not like I'm touching the long-term money at all, but... This is just garbage. Garbage, Baba. What are you doing? Cash out by a Corolla? No. What am I going to do with a Corolla? I'm not touching it. I like these AALs, man. If that can get some steam, these will be real fun. You guys are being very specific with the numbers over here. No, it's none of that. It's like around 8 grand. Baba, I'm gonna have to cut you. I'm gonna have to. Why are you doing this to me? You're not letting us have fun. You're done too. The reason why I'm cutting these early is because if the market is up 1.5% and this thing is down, I don't want any part of that because the market is inevitably going to come down at some point, and if those are showing relative weakness, get me out. I don't want any part of it. I don't know. I'm up 11% on the GMs, 7% on the AALs. I should buy a pony. I don't want that. The tickers you sent? I think they were like OTC or like shares trades. Or like stocks that I don't know about. So I wasn't really paying attention. Sorry. I don't want a pony. What am I going to do with a pony? Like, seriously, what am I doing with a pony? What am I going to show up to the bar on a mini horse? Hey, guys, I'm here. Buy some more pearls. Oh, we do. I do have to get more pearls. Markets come down? Apparently not. Apparently not. We just rip. Watch, Bob is going to rip now. Oh, no. I mean, that was decent sells. Yeah, this is done. I don't want that. Tiny little paper cut. That's how it works. AL, though, if that gets some steam, oh, boy. Oh, boy. I want to trade some SPX today. Rent it out like a car on Turo. Yeah, I don't think they're going to let me put a pony on Turo. Sorry. Trav, what are the tickers? Tell me the tickers. Tell me the tickers. What do you got? What do you got for us, buddy? Interspecies erotica show? No. How about a luxury lizard aquarium? How about none of those things? How about I don't touch the money? How about that? How about I don't touch it and just let it grow and grow and grow and grow and grow and grow? And then I sell calls against it and then buy more stuff and then let that grow and grow and grow and grow and grow. You know? Why don't we do that? Dude, why do I feel sick? This is stupid. This is nonsense. I don't like this. Let's see. Are you guys going to hit the 120 like threshold today? Ooh, you're close. You're close. Keep smacking that like on the way in, team. You might get there. Sono. Yeah, we looked at Sono yesterday. Sono looked all right, I believe. Nothing there yet. HLIT. Nothing there. CTSH. That one is fine on the weekly. That's good. That's the one you got executed on. So that one should look pretty good. GLW. That one is setting up. That's not bad. HPQ. Not this one. So the only two are what? CTSH and HLIT, I think. I'm allergic to money. I guess so. Green Thumb Vix over here. Yeah, bro, just let the money go. Let it come. You're not using it. I don't need the money. Let the others buy a mini horse. Everybody always use... Dude, listen to this. Like, guys, look at AMD's chart. You guys remember telling me. Look at this. AMD is up here at 176. All right, let's look at this on the weekly. Everybody was always freaking out and worried about me when it was at 57... And then it goes to 132, and then it sells off to 91, and then it rips up to 186. Everybody was like, you should sell. You should sell calls on it. How about no? How about let me do my thing? This is why I had that long term is large, because I don't screw around with it. I just let the trades go. Look, AMD goes from, in 2019, it was at 31. It goes to 165, and then sells all the way down to 57. You know what I did? Nothing. Zero. I just left it. Like, what am I supposed to do? Because either way, you're going to take a taxable event if my average is $11.39. It doesn't make a difference to me if I don't need the money now. Now it's at what? Now it's at 176. That's around where I would like to start selling calls at the prices at which I would sell it at. So now, let's just check. I mean, I could make, let's just go over here. Look at some nonsense and see what we got. AMD. The 220s or whatever for next June. Or July or August or whatever. What are those? Did they crush premium on that thing? Oh, that's 24. Sorry. I need 25. Here we go. Yeah, the 220s are $2,600. So for every 100 shares that I have, I can just create money out of thin air. $2,600. Boom. Every 100 shares. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. You don't like buying stuff, though? It took you 10 years before getting rid of your BlackBerry phone? I never had a BlackBerry. I just thought I was aiming at 300. Nah, I'm kind of aiming at like 220, 250, something like that. A line of credit against my long term? No. The fee would be really high. It's all like, a lot of it is single stock concentrations. Like, they'd be like, no. They'd be like, you are not allowed to do this. Where's GM? Sold off a little. Where's AAL? How's that doing? Just chilling above 15. Data's out. We got more data? Yeah, existing. Oh, that was PMI. Now we got existing home sales. What's this look like? Like, I'm not aiming for anything. Bob is struggling. Yeah, I cut it. I just cut the whole thing. I think that maybe the total loss of it on the position was like what? Maybe 10%? But remember, I'm not putting in more than like 1-2% of the account in it. So that's why my losses, guys, are so tiny and my gains are so large. So my actual risk to reward is like 1 to 50. Because if I'm taking, let's say, 0.1% losses, but when I win, I'm making 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10% on my account, I win. That's why I made that YouTube video for you guys. It's like cutting your losses quick. You will give you a loan at a 9% APY with 3% premium on the growth of the account? No. I don't want that. I don't want any of that. Sorry. I want none of that. Ralph, we could be set up for like the way Ralph and I sometimes go back and forth in the afternoon to like hunting for trades, and we look at things very similarly. I think we have a potential for a just filthy setup today or tomorrow. It's either today or tomorrow. And again, that's why I preach risk management so hard with you guys. Because, like, if you're able to take those losses really quick and make them really small, when we go on our tears, which we still do, of, like, what? AMD, Mara, Affirm, like, all those nasty trades that we get, it's like, it's relatively impossible to lose money over time. You just can't do stupid things in the short term. If you do, you're going to get screwed. AMD looking phenomenal. See, I kind of want to sell... the Fed staff sees core PCE inflation ticking down to 2.8% in January from an initially reported 2.6% in December. Oh boy. All right, hold on. What do we got? See, maybe I'll go with like August or something of 25. I want to see what those premiums are like for like the 220s. They're like, there's like no open interest. I could create the entire open interest on the 220s. I mean, the 230s wouldn't be bad. Those are still 2,600. You just do an extra 2 months. I don't want to do it at 200. That's not worth it. I'm seeing what you're seeing. Let's see what 2 p.m. brings. Yeah, I mean, I could also, if I really wanted to get spicy with it, risk, like, the amount that I made on the overnight strategy today, and then just try and drill something crazy. Like, if I hit a 1 to 3 with risking the 2K-ish that I've already made, what's that? An additional... $6,000? I would do that. I would do that. Like, I don't... are we going to get a day trade strategy set up? Where's this? 27 to 77. That could be a good one here, too. You might be able to get a little... The strategy from the Day Trading Mastery course. You might be able to get something in there, too. But we're going to talk about how I scalp in the mastermind as well. Don't you worry. The way I play around with these reversals and just all of a sudden come up with 500% SPX trades, and you guys are like, how are you doing this? Well, I'll show you that too. Ralph, it's quiet. All right, let's see. GM moving back up. That's what I like to see. So I have a little bit of a flyer on the GMs. I think I have the 4150s for next week. So if those hit, I mean, they'll be big. The AALs are up 7%. I don't know. I got a lot of settled cash that I could play with, too. Let's see. Because in this account, I just don't like having margin accounts. I just don't like setting it as a margin account. Like, because it's one of those psychological things where, like, if you can just keep going, you will. Like, I used to set stuff up as margin accounts, but then I could just trade as much as I wanted. And I was like, that's probably not smart. Just leave it as a cash account. You run out of cash, you're done. You should never be running out of cash. So it keeps you in line with... We've talked about that before, though, with, like, margin versus cash accounts. This account, I'm not selling premium in, so it doesn't matter anyway. So, like, on the other side, it's like, all right, well, if you were to have a margin account when you're not selling premium, what does that tell yourself that you want to do? Overtrade. So why give yourself that ability to do it? You shouldn't. If ES moves up much more, the risk would be too big. Yeah, that is a risk. AMD, there we go. We got a lot of people in here today. Welcome back, everybody. Again, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys are hitting that like button on the way in. Costs you nothing to do it. Helps me out a whole lot. Getting these streams out to some more people, team. You guys cranked the like threshold yesterday. I don't know if you're going to be able to do it today. I don't know if you're going to be able to do it today. We got 24 minutes to go to get to 120 likes. Yeah, and any other tickers you guys want to look at, let me know. Hey, that looks all right. Front running it. Yeah, I mean, if this candle does what I think it's going to do, you could get a little spicy that's there. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, you got, what? You need 35 likes, I think, to get to 120? Yeah, I don't know if you guys got that in you today. Dude, AMD is a monster here. Their financials just aren't that great anymore. I mean, let her rip, but I'm making more money. What's the long term at now? Oh, sick. Yeah, we're up good. How often do you trade SPY? Never. I trade SPX and ES. So I trade SPX a decent amount now. I trade a lot of ES, though, futures. Most of the time, though, when I trade SPX and I don't trade ES, I think to myself, I should have just traded the darn thing on futures. Love AMD when it gets crazy to the upside. Yeah, me too. Obviously, I own a boatload of it. Yeah, we definitely could get ugly. I mean, we're up 1.5%. That's a bit crazy, especially with all the data that's come out recently. I'd be a little worried. What are the, like, 1 day out SPX puts? What are those? I would not hate that. At here, I would not hate 1 day out SPX puts. You're, like, way above ATR. Like, the 5,000s or something crazy. Ooh, those are pretty nice. I don't know. We'll see what happens there. First day working the day trading strategy, getting set up to paper trade, but trying to spot trade just like you show in the back testing. Would have hit both first and second take profits if you took it. Pretty exciting. There you go, Morgan. Wait, where'd you find? Oh, I see where you're spotting it from. Right here. This little data candle. This one. This retrace here. Boom. In. There you go. Yeah, that's a good one. It's nice to see the knowledge from the course exercised in real time. Yeah, that's why I do those, that, like, I showed you guys every single trade that was taken with it. Because, yeah, I can sit here and say that the strategy has, like, all of these winning months in a row and show you how much you would have made. But, I mean, it's really helpful when you can actually just see it in real time. All right. Ooh, all right. All right, I'm gonna do something a little spicy here. I think. What's my average on this? All right, that's cool. Let's show them right there. Let's see what happens with SPX here. Are you waiting to buy or sell right now? Just starting out, so I'm confused. That's fine. Welcome, buddy. Isn't that a stop out? I don't know. I haven't seen it. I don't think it would be. I mean, if you went from here to here, I don't think you are. No, you just barely got triggered in. Look, you just tapped it and ripped. Like, I don't know. Some of you guys may have gotten filled there. Some of you guys may not have. But, like, I mean, that's nasty. It was the 9:30 candle, though. So, again, I would have stayed away from that. But no, so Trey, what you have to think about in trading is I don't do things all the time every single day. A lot of the trades that I take too, like the quick day trades, are in the afternoon as well. We have that day trading mastery course strategy that just prints over time. My swing trading strategy, I'm not taking trades all the time. Again, less trades, more profits is what you need to think about. And I think hanging around here is going to help you a whole lot with that. Like, I grabbed a tiny little starter on some SPX puts, but that's it. Nothing crazy. Those are up like 10%. Nothing. I'm going to try and make them free. I want free SPX puts. AMD still looking crazy here. Oh my god. Look at that, dude. And yeah, the courses are 50% off right now. You really get the, like, you really only have until, like, the end of this week or next week because the 50% off deal is going away. So there's the link to that. We're going to be focusing in the month of March just all on our mastermind members. We're only going to have time before I leave YouTube forever to do one of them. There's 150 spots, so my full attention is going to be going to those individuals there. IWM just gave you 55% off the high orb. There you go. I don't know. I like how this 15-minute candle is setting up. You close at the low, you're going to look good. Maybe we get to move back down to here. This is ES. Where's SPX at? That's fine. Palantir couldn't follow through? No. No, Palantir got hammered. No. Now they're buying ES up. They're just screwing with it. AMD back up. AAL chilling. GM chilling. Nothing crazy. Found your Instagram account yesterday and hopped on here this morning. Already loving the streams. Trey, thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. Tesla flat. No, it came back. Yeah, I kind of like it, man. I kind of like it. Not gonna lie, I kind of like Tessie. I would front run that. Like next week, 203s. Not yet. Need a more convincing move. And you got 30 seconds left on this 15-minute candle. Yeah, you're gonna learn a lot around here, Trey. I mean, that's the thing. Like, you've finally found like the right spot. There's like, these people have no idea what they're talking about in finance and markets and everything. Welcome, welcome. What do we have left for data today? I mean, we have a bunch of Fed speakers coming out. Harker, 315. That'll be fun if we get Harker screwing around when we're playing in the afternoon. Yeah, I just kind of want to see what it's like down here. 50, 58. Come back down to that range, test it. Maybe make my contracts free. That's not ideal. Tessie's going a little. Hit the like, you lazy people. Just use your finger and touch it. Yeah, you got 15 minutes to get 25 likes on the stream, so we extend it till 11. Tessie just flashed green there. Nah. AMD still at the highs. ES trying to get a test of them. Look at AT&T. I don't want anything to do with this. That's a nice breakdown, though. That's a nice breakdown there. Tessie in the green. All right. Give me 1 sec, guys. I got to run to the bathroom very quickly. Keep smacking that like on the way in. You got those 90% Apex accounts. And then, I mean, you guys know the deal with the courses, too. 50% off. So I will be right back. See how quick we are over here? Let's see. Ooh, another test of the high. Let's see. It's going for it. All right, where's Tessie? It's tempting. Dude, AMD is ripping to 180 here. Oh, my God. Look at this. I should become a Fed chairman. That seems like a lot of work for not a lot of money. Just being honest. Seems like a lot of work for not a lot of money. What are these? Yeah, my SPXs are looking good. Let's see what we get here. You break this low, you're probably coming down 50-68 on ES. TLT barely hit. Do we have an auction today? Ralph, do we have an auction today? I feel like we might. ES can do it. Break? No, I mean, it doesn't make a whole lot of sense to go long ES up here, but that's why I'm looking for a little down move. I mean, it's up freaking 73 points today. That's crazy. I'm fine with taking a little risk here. Trying to make something free going into tomorrow. It's just hanging out. It's just hanging out. What, like, these chips are going to be moving it around. Like, AMD's 180. There you go. Like, the chips are going to be affecting this. As soon as the chips start to lose it, I mean, this will start to move down. Who knows, though? Maybe the chips don't lose it today, and they just rip all day long. AMD, 180.20. It's just rip. No auction today? All right, thank you. Oh, 30-year TIPS. So for those of you guys that don't know, TIPS stands for Treasury Inflation Protected Securities. 4 and 8 week. All right, that's interesting. All right, SPX, you gonna give us something here? You gonna give us a little break? There we go. $780. What's 780? 30-year tips will be interesting with backstops. But yeah, they don't want to break this yet. I mean, it's the chips holding it up. As soon as the chips start to see, this is gonna come back up here. It's the chips are just moving everything. NVDA, AMD. So if they lose a little bit, I mean, this market will get clapped. Just the tips, no more, no less. Stop. Let's keep it PG, all right? Let's see. NVIDIA. He's not 70. Oh, yeah, it would be. Yeah, so the post-earnings strategy probably would have worked. Would it? Yeah, you probably would have hit it there. What is that, from 760 to 16 bucks? I don't know. I don't know if you'd get that. NVIDIA's losing it a little here on the 15. Apple's gonna go red pretty soon. Is it losing? Let's see. Would the chips just bounce? This is too tiny. What else are we looking at? What else from the swing list could potentially be back on the menu? Oh, that's one. DPZ. We haven't looked at this at all. Oh, yeah. Weekly, look at this. That looks good. Crowd and Snow probably got some boost on this. Yeah, these are going to look terrible, though. Yeah, no. What about Snow? No, this trade was great on Snow, though. You're almost at the... Oh! All right, 11 more likes and we extend the stream. Apple going up. Not on the 15. Not on the 15, it's not. Apple, AMD lagging. AMD, I wouldn't say it's lagging. It's at 180. DPZ running next Monday. Damn, why are they doing that? What's the low of this candle? 775. Yeah, they break that. It could get interesting to the downside there. How much time left on this candle? 6 minutes? All right. NVIDIA just lost it, and ES is like, yeah, nope, sorry, whatever. That's weird. What's it moving off of? It's not Tesla. It's not Apple. I mean, maybe it's Apple holding it up a little bit here, but... Where's Telly? TLT's not moving. Alright. Let's see what we get. That stinks that Domino's has earnings next Monday. That really stinks. This 57, I feel like this, no, maybe it was 40.70. That was that weird level that it just kept bouncing and screwing around at on ES. I think that's what it was. It was like 40.70. You break this 50.68 though, you're probably coming down to at least test this 50.65 or even down here, this zone 50.58. That's what I would look for. NVDA pop back up a little. What else are we looking at? Where's GM? That thing hanging on? Nah, it's looking alright. And then AAL, the front run. Oops. Yeah, it's still holding above 15. That's not that bad. And then what do we gotta do? Yeah, I gotta make that video for you guys, the mastermind video, the first one. Here we go. That was a little aggressive. Here we go. Let's see what they got. Let's see what they got here. Last couple minutes of this 15-minute candle. Nope. NVIDIA right back up. What do we got? All right. James, later, buddy. Yeah, ES not really doing much here. It's just kind of, I mean, on the 5-minute, it might just be flagging. Yeah, that's just flagging really hard on the 5-minute. This could go either way. I mean, if we saw this on the daily, what would we say? We would say probably going to the upside. This range right here, down in like, yeah, that 50.68. IWM's coming down. Yeah, this is weird. Things are moving around a bit strangely here. Apple back up. Tessie's not getting any love. All right, let's see. This is the 5-minute. I kind of want this back on the 15. Rivian's killing you? Why? Why is Rivian killing you? What are you doing on Rivian? It's down 27%. Did you try to buy the dip? Can I look at TRP? Yeah, I can look at TRP. That's setting up. That's getting there. All right, minute left on this 15-minute candle. NVIDIA's back to life over here, coming right back to the upside. Apple was eating it up. Not 2 more likes, and we extend the stream. You guys got 2 minutes. Uh-oh. Are you guys going to be able to do it today? Yeah, here comes the yes. Let's see. Here it comes. You have shares in it? Ooh, that's tough. That's tough, man. Here she comes. Breaking. You bought it like 8 months ago. Ooh, that's rough. They could close and rip this. This could get interesting. I mean, we are up a metric boatload. NVIDIA, here it comes. Tessie's not getting any love. Let's see. You spotted one of the rarest cars on the road yesterday, the Oscar Mayer Wienermobile? Well, good job, Pepe. I gotta adjust some of this. Cool. Costco. What's it doing? It's starting again. Pepe, that might have been SV and his buddies after their hot dog eating contest. It could have been. It could have been, but it wasn't, so. Tessie looks interesting. Apple's not looking good here. Like, this thing looks like it just wants that knife. Can I buy you 1,000 shares of NVIDIA? No, sorry. We're not doing that. All right. You saw it the other day too? That's kind of crazy. Why are you guys? Why are you? Where are you guys that you're seeing the Wiener Mobile? That's kind of wild. If you like Apple, you should love IWM. Yeah, but like SPX isn't reacting on it. Like, look, SPX is just like ES and SPX are just reacting off of NVIDIA. So like, if you look at where's IWM? Like, that looks horrendous, which is very strange with the market doing this. To the moon? It might get a wild pop candle here. That's a new high. Apple ate it. Where's AMD? Dude, 181.50. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that, dude. I mean, this thing is just all over the place. It's a nice steady grind up here. I mean, you just broke the high. Let's see if it can hold and start to get going. AMD going vertical. Oh my god. Where's NVIDIA? Is NVIDIA doing it too? New highs? I think so. I think NVIDIA's at... Yeah, NVIDIA right at new highs here. Oh my god. Look at this. AMD is ripping, dude. Oh, we love to see that. We absolutely love seeing that. Thank you, AMD. Let's see. If dollar holds above 104, IWM is not going to be happy. Nah, I mean, I would expect a... Like, ES here is getting a little out of hand. See? Where's Tessie? Sucking. There comes Apple back up. Watch out. ES might get a little steam here. ES might get steam above this high. Yeah, here it comes. Look at that, man. Oh my god, I gotta check the long term here. See what that's looking like. Let's see, refresh. No, that's not right. Yeah, you gotta do this again. Bring Palantir along? Well, I mean, they're not the same thing. So, they gotta, like, they're not the same. So, let's see. Were we up like 10 grand yet? Yeah. Love it. Love it. This is great. This is great, man. Oh, and you guys hit the like threshold today, too. Shout out to you guys. There we go. Again, make sure you guys are hopping into those courses before the weekend. You guys are not going to want to miss this mastermind, man. 150 spots. Those of you guys that are lucky enough to get in there, I mean, you guys are going to be set for life. You guys are going to be set for life there, man. Where is Palantir today? How's that doing? I mean, it's up 2%, but it's nothing crazy. Nice drop at the open for more buys, though. I mean, this thing seems pretty strong up here because these chips can just keep going. Like, there's no stopping the chips. So until the chips really start to shift trend here, I mean, this market is probably going to still keep chugging along. Adjacent, sort of. Yeah, you can call them adjacent. I like that candle. NVIDIA's holding on. Yeah, that was just... this is probably just random selling in ES here. Tesla sometimes feel like it's part of the IWM and not the S&P. Well, Tesla has those phases where it'll just, like, completely disjoint from things and do whatever the heck it wants. Like, Tesla will absolutely do that. A lot of stocks will. I am interested in seeing what Rivian can do, though, because if we get it, like, at these prices on Rivian, it's almost the same prices when I hit the leaps for, like, 500% last year. Like, let's look. Like, where... This, right here. Oh, it's lower than that. Oh, no, this was the... Oh, it's below. This was the area that I was getting leaps off the weekly and just absolutely rode a moon mission on Rivian. Now it's even below that. I would not hate grabbing some stuff down here on it. I really wouldn't. NVIDIA still holding on here. Looking for 780. Look at this. Look at this thing, man. It's looking for it. ES moving up a little too. No, coming back down. Let's see. Where's AMD at? 180, 160. Jesus. What's the high? Basically 185? That's insane, dude. That's insane. Rivian either needs an offering or Amazon needs to buy in deeper. Yeah. Yeah, they're in a tough spot. They're in a real tough spot there. Whoa, ES. What's going on here? What was that? What was that, huh? Let's see. What do we want to do here? Well, that was weird. The coupon for the 50% off? There is no coupon for 50% off. So when you guys go on the course website, you'll just see that the all-in-one access is 50% off. You get both courses for the price of one. AMD, little shark there. NVIDIA didn't really do it, but AMD did. That was probably what... See, that's probably what's causing the market to come down now. Like, if the chips lose it a little bit, I mean, this thing's going to come tumbling. Buyout candidate? Yeah, but Amazon would probably want to do that more than they would. Because they already own so much of it. And they would be selling at such a deep discount. Why? Because I think they were establishing their position when that thing was, like, pretty heavily, like, way up there. Will NVIDIA become the highest market cap company in the QQQ in 5 years? Maybe. I don't know. Maybe. It's very possible. Is it not already? Who cares, honestly? That's not like, it could. If it wants to keep ripping like that, yeah. Alright, we got like 2-3 minutes left on this 15-minute candle here. Let's see what everything wants to do. Tessie coming back down. AMD hanging around 181. NVIDIA losing it a little. There goes ES. See? See? Look. NVIDIA. Little shark. ES. Ah! That's how that works. Here we go. Let's see what happens here. You got that 50.68 on ES. If you lose that, you're probably looking at down in here or even at this zone. Let's see. It tells you you're already in day trading mastery. Yeah, you are. Wayne, did you get the Swing Kings course yet? Because if you have both the courses, the mastermind link is getting sent to you guys this Sunday, and you're getting 20% off that, not 50. I'm not gonna tell everybody the Swing Kings course 60% off, dude. But Wayne, I thought you were already in the Swing Kings course, calling out those good trades. You were killing it. Or was that from the free newsletter? AMD losing it a little. Is NVIDIA still selling? Let's see. 775 was that area before that you were looking at that it could have baited, and that, well, it did, and then it just got bought right back up. I like this 15-minute candle, though, on ES. Decent risk. Yeah, you're pushing. Tesla at a level. Downside. Yeah. Apple not really reacting yet. NVIDIA not really either. Let's see. We got 50 seconds left on this candle. Which one? What do you mean, Wayne? You weren't even getting the email. Are you in the Swing Kings course too, Wayne, or not? Because if you're in both of them already, you're gonna get the link to the mastermind on Sunday, just like everybody else. AAL new high? Is it? Well, no, it's close. It's getting there. It is getting there. Is that a new high? It's close. 1514 is that area there. You're confused? Why? There's two courses. The Swing Kings course and the Day Trading Mastery course. If you were already in the Day Trading course before I released the Swing Kings course, you got 60% off. If you're in either of them, this weekend, you're going to get the link to the Mastermind. Mastermind's not out yet. All right. Here we go. Yes. Let's see if you want to get that break. IWM. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see how aggressive this wants to get. You broke it. You broke that 50.68 for a second. You got to get... Oh, no, it just tapped it. It just tapped it. There goes NVIDIA a little. Are you going to start hitting this thing? Do you go live in the afternoon? No, I'm just live in the mornings. $9 a.m. every day. Sometimes we go to 10:30, but if you guys hit the like button enough, I go till 11. Yeah, there goes NVIDIA a little. Let's see if ES gets the reaction down below 50.68. Down here would be nice. 50.58. AAL still kind of made an attempt there. Now coming down. 68.50. You're getting there. You are getting there. Apple ready to go? Yeah, it's not looking good there. ES is just barely holding on, though. It's because NVIDIA is kind of flickering here. Like, ES is probably back up to 50 set. Yeah, it's right there. If it does it, if NVIDIA gets hit, this will be a knife. But NVIDIA would have to get hit. I don't know if it's going to. The buyers are pretty strong on this thing. Like, Apple, like, as much as we know Apple moves the market today, it's really not going to matter. With NVIDIA and these other big names. See? Like, if NVIDIA gets bought back up, it's just going to get hit. Like, NVIDIA right back up. See? Palo Alto could put a 10-minute hanging man. Ooh, that would be an interesting one. I'm just kind of focused on ES here. That's kind of what I'm looking at. Like, that's all I'm really looking at here. AAL chilling. Palo Alto getting hit. Alright, you're talking about it. I'll look at it. Are the premiums still in... I don't know about that one. You got to see this carry through here aggressively. Let's see. It's right there. IWM broke it. ES is getting right there too. It's that 50.68. It just taps it and then just bounces. If NVIDIA loses it here though, like this, oh boy. Tesla does still have room to tank. That's why I didn't take the call side on it, because look, the market's up freaking 71 points. 1.44%. Tony the Tesla, what's up, buddy? Welcome back. Yeah, there we go. CRBP looks nice. What's that? Pharma, not for me. No. None of that for me. I mean, even if we get to 50, 60, these are probably going to look good. It's just NVIDIA needs like one doom candle to get us there. Tesla trying to save 192. Yeah, I was struggling there. I mean, I'm up a little bit on the SPXs. Nothing, like, crazy. I'm hunting something. I want to be able to make it free and then have free SPX puts. That's the goal. Is just free SPX puts. Putin reiterates that he prefers Biden to Trump as the U.S. president. What? All right. There he goes. And it's coming back up. Let's see. NVDA bought back up. AAL ate that. That's nice. See, this is another time where I'm just like, I wish I just traded EF. Like, it's just going to take forever. Theta is going to come eat me unless we get an aggressive move. Which is very possible with everything at these elevated levels. So, we'll see. We will see. Dude, I'm drinking a lot of water today. Oh, my God. Yeah, and then remember, Apex is doing that 90% off sale again for you guys, which is insane. I saw that the other day, and I was like, what? So here's the link to that for those of you guys that are interested in the Apex accounts. There you guys go there. Well, let's see. Tessie, it kind of, what did it bounce off that 192? Yeah, it looks like it did. Oh, it slipped it and then got bought right back up. I don't need this on here. We can look at AMD. There goes ES right back up. It's just going to chop around. Like, again, now we're kind of set free from all the kind of other market nonsense that we were dealing with. Connection lost. Uh-oh, my mouse is dead. That's a problem. Plugging it back in. Where's GM? Yeah, 39.58. That's not bad. Tesla 193, 192 range is home base. Yeah. You bought 15 already, $16.50 each. There you go, Christopher. Yeah, guys, those Apex accounts, if you guys want them, 90% off. I think it's like 18 bucks for like for a 50K account. It's insane. Let's see. Yes, what do you want to do? You got a little time left. I mean, you got 2 minutes for a new 5-minute candle. It's at the low here. A pet mouse. Why not just get a cat? Because I don't have a pet mouse. I just have the actual mouse here. Yeah, and then all of you guys that were in the Swing Kings course that still need to follow the STV Swing Kings account. Again, that's probably how you get notified first if you turn notifications on for that account. That the mastermind links are out. Could this be a day trade setup starting from the 930 low? No. I'd go further out. I'd go from here. Did it? It might be too big, but or I'd look for a sell retrace, something like that. You just purchased the package, Swing King and Day Trading Pray For You. There you go. Wait, I thought you were already in it. Didn't I tell you to message me? All right, Wayne, we'll figure you out. But you're going to have first access to the mastermind as well. So, welcome, Wayne. We got you, buddy. Your mouse is dead. Ralph? Yeah, it's just not enough. Like, it's almost not enough room. Like, it could. I wouldn't be opposed to it. But, like, since this is kind of already played out, this one, I'd go from here. Hunt the bigger one. If it qualifies. Apple looking bad. Yeah, Apple does not look good here. I mean, it's holding trend. ES is doing its thing. You been having issues with emails? Yeah, I know, but I told you guys about the Twitter account. Every day on stream, I've been telling you guys about the Twitter account. I want to see a knife. But welcome, Wayne. Ready for the... Wait, what, Pepe? What are you talking about here? Yeah, and there goes NVIDIA right back up. 4 points of risk from the low. That qualifies. That qualifies. It does qualify. Yeah, these SPXs are still sitting slightly green here. I just want the knife so I can get out of them, you know? Scale out, free SPX, have some fun, be done for the day. Already drilled ES overnight, just absolutely slaughtered it. I'm probably going to do the overnight strategy again, over and over. I do it a lot. I might just set up like a new account where I just do that in it. Because I have like some accounts that like, I like flip back and forth and do different things in them. I like to keep everything like separate. Let's see. AMD a little red. NVIDIA doesn't care. Is this Apple? It is Apple. Wow, so Apple is kind of moving things around here. Here comes Apple to the downside. Here comes ES getting a little slip. Not have the battery active, so you'll need to put... Oh, that's fine. I mean, I have a brand new phone now, so it doesn't really matter, you know? Like, the battery's still good. Plus, I'm always by a computer as well, so, like, I can just charge it. Let's see. Dude, you guys ran up the like button today. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. Helping get these streams out to more people, helping people learn. I love it. Yeah, now I just wish I took this on freaking EF. Whatever. Apple's just got it. You break this little trend. Uh-oh. And it's getting eaten. Camera overheated? Oh my god. How? This is ridiculous. Absolute ridiculousness. We only got like 2 minutes left of the stream anyway. Let's see. You're missing the points to keep the battery healthy. Ah, I see what you're saying now. I get it. Hey, you disappeared. Yeah, I know. That happens sometimes. It's going to happen a lot more as the weather gets warmer because it gets hot in here and then the camera overheats and it shuts off. But then I just turn the air conditioning on and then we're fine. So, don't worry. I didn't go anywhere. You can still hear me when I'm screwing around with it. Too hot for TV. That's me. That's me. Let's see. Dude, Apple, there it goes. Just follow the Swing Kings you need to approve. Yeah, again, shoot a DM with your email. I'll confirm that you're actually in there, and then we're good to go. Apple lost it here a little. ES is just getting held up by NVIDIA right now. New candle coming in. Let's see what it wants to do. Let's see. There's no airflow in the basement. You mean the... You're right. You're right, Pepe. Glass of ice next to it? No, that's not going to help. All right, team. It's 11 a.m. That's going to wrap it up for us today. Shout out to everybody that was coming to the streams. Again, the mastermind links are going out this Sunday. Those of you guys that are lucky enough to hop in there are going to see a whole world of a difference in just the way that you guys approach the markets. I am so excited to get that out to you guys. And then again, here's that link for the courses to make sure, again, you have access to the first round of mastermind links that get sent out. And you get both the courses for the price of one. So if you guys are interested in that, there you guys go. I will see you guys tomorrow. Oh, yeah, and then Apex has that 90% off deal for those of you guys that are interested, too. So, team, what a day. What a day. The long term's cranking. We're seeing if we can get some free SPX plus. We got a couple of interesting things that could start cooking. But other than that, team, I'll see you later. Peace. Great stream. Thanks, Trey. Welcome, 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 welcome.